So what can you tell me about the N1?
This is the new N1 from Nokia. It's beautifully designed so that from both hardware and software, it's simple and elegant. And so what does that mean from hardware? What that means from hardware is the device does not distract you from using the device. No sharp edges, no cheap plastic feel to it. Everything seems perfectly as it should be. Okay, this is extruded from a solid piece of aluminum. It feels very solid in the hands, very nice. It has perfectly rounded edges, no sharp edges. Even the camera is perfectly aligned in the corner to make concentric circles with the corner itself. Again, not to distract you. Everything is in place. Has the latest Type-C USB connector.
It has a Type-C connector.
Type-C connector so that you can plug in either way.
Yeah.
You don't have to think about it. Again, simple. So, again, this is a stock Android device.
Okay.
So we've installed one app on it that we think makes a big difference. It's called Z Launcher. It happens to be the app you see when you press the home button. Okay? Now what we notice is that people are using more and more apps, and you have more and more home screens that you're having to flip through to find the app you want. And that doesn't scale, and it's going to get worse with Internet of Things, with apps to turn on your lights, apps to get into your car, apps to adjust your thermostat, and so on. And so Z Launcher actually learns how to use your device and promotes apps you're likely to use now based on your past history and your current context. Okay, and what we found out is about 80% of the time we can predict exactly what you're going to want.
Really?
The other 20% of the time, you're human, you're not predictable.
Okay.
We have you covered there too. You can simply scribble a letter right on the screen to quickly get to anything else you want. So in 1 second or less, you can get to everything you want on the device. It's either already on the home screen, or it's one scribble away.
Nice.
Okay, and of course you can scribble more to get the more obscure things. Internet's a little slow here, but you'll see you can even get web results if you're patient. Okay, and everything's right there. So basically what you have is you have roughly an area like this where you can scribble. Okay, outside that you can do an edge swipe to get to an A to Z list. Okay, so you do edge swipe to get to A to Z, you can erase in here, so it's a very simple and clean device. So from both software to hardware, you have a beautiful, simple, and elegant device. Now it is a stock Android device. It's running the latest version of Android Lollipop. Spec-wise, the specs are hard to beat. You've got a quad-core processor on here from Intel, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of memory. This is selling for about the equivalent of $249 US in China, so it's extremely well priced for what you get. Hard to beat. The Nokia N1.
So, what about availability? Is it available from a website, or only are you selling it in China?
So it started off with sales in China. They started just at the end of January, and we're ramping up things there first before we go to other countries.
Nice.
It will go to other countries, but they have not yet been announced.
Okay. And the price, could you repeat the little price, or is it gonna be still $249 when it launches in other countries?
We expect that you'll have a similar price in other markets. So you can also get Z Launcher on your Android phone too today if you want to try it out. Same idea. And so we're getting lots of feedback on that to help us improve both Z Launcher on the phone and Z Launcher on the N1.
Nice.
So go try it out.
Thank you.
Thanks.